Girl, you want some chicken and noodles, girl? I done threw down in the kitchen today, girl. Girl. I don't eat no chicken and noodles, girl. Child. I don't do them. Girl, that look good. I guess I tried. Let me get a little bit of everything. I want some sausage. Give me a noodle. And put a piece of chicken on there. And I'm going to try and see what it tastes like. Don't put no big piece now. Let me get a try and see what it tastes like. Girl, you did your thing on that. I ain't never had no chicken and noodle like that, girl. You ain't never ate what? Be looking for the video on Sunday on how I make my chicken and noodle. Girl, give me some more, child, because I know it was good. It was delicious, girl. I ain't never had nothing like that, girl. Oh, you stuck your foot off up in there. Girl. I gotta make mine like that.